Welcome to Simple English in Real Life. On this channel, we share simple conversations and real life situations to help you learn English step by step and become more confident when speaking. I'm Ria, and this is your place to practice real life English conversations. Each episode helps you learn simple English that you can actually use. Let's get started. Today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English. Introducing yourself is one of the first and most important things when learning a new language. You may need to introduce yourself at school, at work, while traveling, or when meeting new friends. So today, I will show you how to introduce yourself, and I will do that by introducing myself. You can listen carefully and also repeat after me later. This will help you practice speaking English naturally. Let's start with an easy and common sentence. You can say, "Hello, my name is Ria." Very simple. Let me say it again. "Hello, my name is Ria." You can also say, "Hi, I'm Ria." Both are correct. "I'm" is just a shorter way of saying, "I am." Now let me continue introducing myself. Hello, my name is Ria. I am 28 years old. I am an English teacher. You see, these sentences are very short and simple. When you introduce yourself, simple sentences are the best. Many English learners think they need to use big or difficult words, but that is not necessary. Simple English is clear and easy to understand. And that is exactly what we practice on this channel. Clear and simple English conversations that help you improve step by step. Let me continue my introduction. Hello, my name is Ria. I am 28 years old. I am an English teacher. I love teaching English and helping people learn how to speak confidently. Many people understand English, but they feel shy when speaking. If you feel the same way, don't worry. That is very normal. The best way to improve is to listen to conversations and practice speaking. That is why I created this channel. To help you listen, learn, and practice English every day. Now let me add a little more to my introduction. Hello, my name is Ria. I am 28 years old. I am an English teacher. I live in India, and I enjoy meeting people from different places. In my free time, I like reading books, drinking coffee, and listening to music. These are all simple things you can say when introducing yourself. For example, you can talk about your name, your age, your job or what you study, where you live, your hobbies. These are common things people talk about when they first meet. Let me introduce myself again, a little more naturally, like a real conversation. Hi, my name is Ria. I'm 28 years old and I work as an English teacher. I really enjoy teaching English and helping people improve their speaking skills. I live in India, and in my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and spending time with friends. Nice to meet you. Did you notice something? The sentences are short, clear, and easy to understand. This is very important for beginners. When you practice speaking English, you don't need to speak fast. You just need to speak clearly and confidently. That is something we will practice many times on this channel. Now let me give you another example of a simple introduction. Hi, my name is Ria. I'm an English teacher and I'm 28 years old. I enjoy helping people learn English. And that is why I started this channel. Here, we will practice English together through simple conversations and listening exercises. If you listen regularly, you will slowly begin to understand more and speak more naturally. Remember, learning a language takes time, but with practice, you will improve. Let me introduce myself one more time so you can listen again. Hi everyone, my name is Ria. I'm 28 years old and I work as an English teacher. I love helping people learn English and speak with confidence. On this channel, we practice simple English conversations that help beginners learn step by step. So if you want to improve your English speaking, you can listen to these conversations and practice with me. Learning English should feel friendly, relaxed, and enjoyable. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. Even listening to English conversations for a few minutes every day can make a big difference. And that is exactly what we will do together on this channel. Alright everyone, that is all for today's episode. We will post more simple English conversations that you can listen to and practice every day. Now here's a task for you. Give a small introduction of yourself in the comment section below using 3 to 4 sentences. You can practice your English by introducing yourself there. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Simple English in Real Life, so you don't miss our next English speaking practice. Practicing helps you improve faster. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with someone who wants to learn English. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.